Alright guys, got another video for you. It's a quick fix. I actually bought this brand new DeWalt rolling miter saw stand, as you can see in the back. That's the stand I had before. I'm doing a whole garage build out, so I got custom shelving everywhere. I want to have little compartments for my saws to fit. So I've got a table saw over here, and you can actually see where the table saw, it will actually, fold and roll away. I want the same thing for my compound sliding miter saw. So I looked up reviews, and most people did not give this DeWalt stand great reviews, but I still kind of need it, right? And everything in my garage is DeWalt. So I ordered it anyway, and one of the biggest complaints that I saw was, people said, hey, the saw stand won't close, it won't close. And they were giving 1 stars all over the internet. I was like, man, I hope I don't have that problem. Sure enough, I got it all assembled. I open it up. This is the intermediate position, kind of low. And then you can go to the highest position where it locks in right there. And then I tried to close it, and it would not close, right? So I'm gonna show you how to fix yours, because now, as you can see, I fixed mine. But I'm gonna show you how to fix yours, and it's gonna take you like a couple seconds. So check this out right here. It's no different than tightening up a cable on a bike, right? So there's a black cover that goes right over there. So there's a nice little black cover that goes here. And with that black cover, you'll be able to see that once you take it off, these here, they move in and out. They move like left and right, basically. When you push that red trigger, that little lever up there, you see that? That black lever with the red little rubber piece on it? When you pull that, these here are supposed to move. Well, I noticed that mine didn't move all that much. So I went back here, and as you can see, you can just twist this to tighten it. Hope you can see that real good, but you can just twist this thing here to loosen it or tighten it. Well, I was twisting it that way, which was obviously the wrong way, and it was moving less and less. When I started loosening it this way and pull this spring back so that you can get a hold of that other nut and you can hold it in place. But then once you loosen this a good bit, and you can see about how much room I have on there, once you get it to that point and you just tighten this nut, tighten that nut, it stays in place and it'll work perfectly. Leave a comment below if it didn't work for you. I'm pretty sure it will. And this is granted if your bar isn't bent. This is brand new, so my bar isn't bent. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just, obviously it's an issue from the factory. They just didn't set the cable correctly. They just put it on there. So hope that helps, guys. Have a great day. Don't forget to check out my other videos where I can show you how I've completely redid a custom pantry. I did a custom laundry room. I totally renovated 2 closets and built the most insane custom closets you've ever seen. And I did it for an affordable price. So check out my other videos. Please subscribe and leave a comment. Thank you.